rabba-dabbum.
Raa Raa.
Toot, toot, rabba-dabbum.
Raa Raa.
Oh, hello. Listen, Huffy's making music. It's really good.
Oh, yes. Huffy's very musical.
Rabba-dabbum. Toot, toot, rabba-dabbum. Hooray! Well done, Huffy. That was brilliant. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Huffy, can we play together? That's a good idea. With two of us, we could make twice as much music. But I don't have a trunk to play on. I think you need something else to play on. Yes, something that makes a noise as good as yours. I'm going to find a new noise. A play with Huffy 2 noise. I'm going to find a new noise. That's what I'm going to do.